Wow, the tree is looking so pretty with the lights. Let's put on the ornaments. Oh, where the hell are they? What? Who grinched my Christmas? What to do? What to do? What can I do? I know, I have a great idea. Let's go grab some fabric from the secondhand store. That's pretty cheap. Oh, what else can we put in there? Oh, look at these doilies. And they're pretty cheap. That will go nicely. I decided on a starfish ornament because I'm ocean themed at my house and I thought it would be a great idea. So, cut out the pattern. I found this yarn at the secondhand store and I thought it might make a good decoration. So affixing it to the felt with just a simple little stitch. I'll show you the one arm here on how I managed to get it to sit on nicely. This should last for a long time. After all the individual little poofs are done, I fixed the end of it as well. Kind of double stitched it there. And then knotted the back. The back doesn't matter because it's not going to show. Second arm, I did the same thing. So I'm just showing you affixed already. And then on the fifth one, took a little more finesse, especially in the middle. So I really went over that well to ensure that it wasn't going to come off. So a few stitches here. And then I turned around and snipped the excess little tag right there. And then affixed it in the same manner as the first one. Didn't bother showing that. And then I fixed the end part here. So the cool thing is these are unique. Then when that was done, I had its mate that I just sewed a simple stitch around. And then I left an opening so I could stuff it. Now the quilt batting I used, I actually pulled it out of a pillow that I had. So I'm ultimately recycling everything. You could use fresh from the store if you'd like. When that was done, I just finished up the stitch and had the little tag on there. It looks pretty good. And this is what it looks like on the tree. You have a beautiful Christmas. Thanks for watching.